Mama, baby, Loretta.
Look closely underneath the aircraft. You're going to see the landing gear extend in just a few moments. Each landing gear truck, the main landing gear truck, has 6 tires to support the weight of this maximum gross weight aircraft of 775,000 feet. United's Boeing 777 in its landing configuration. Go team go. The only thing missing in today's flight are our professional flight attendants preparing the cabin for landing. Rick, would you please bring your table seat back to the full upright position, seatbelt lowered tight above the lap. Pitch up, power up, gear up, flaps up. We're now preparing for our third pass, where we'll come straight at you from over Alcatraz. In our commitment for improvement, United has instigated an ambitious plan called United Boeing 777. Unbelievable. These two twin-engine 190-115 GE engines, each developing 115,000 pounds of thrust. And this new quiet technology enables our 777 to leave a smaller noise print on our neighbors than older technology. We call it United First in quiet technology. Today, San Francisco Golden Bridge and our Boeing 777. Down comes the nose. Accelerating to 350 miles an hour, 350 feet over the water. The United 777-300ER, ER standing for extended range. This puppy can fly over 8,000 miles in one mission.